Saffron is an ancient spice that has been cultivated for thousands of years as a dye, flavoring and medicine. Originally was first cultivated in Greece, but today saffron is primarily grown in Iran, Morocco and India. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world and it is also known as red gold. Let's discover why. What is saffron? Saffron comes from the stigmas of Crocus sativus, a small flowering plant in the iris family. It grows only 15 to 30 centimeters tall and blooms in autumn with bright purple and lilac flowers, with orange-red filaments known as stigmas. What makes saffron so pricey? Each saffron flower produces just 3 stigmas. These stigmas are usually harvested by hand because they are incredibly thin and delicate. Saffron is harvested in just 20 to 30 days, between October and November, and is done very early in the morning, to preserve the flavor and aroma. Did you know? It can take 150 flowers to get 1 gram of saffron and up to 150,000 flowers to obtain 1 kilogram. This makes saffron the most expensive spice in the world by weight. Uses of saffron in cooking. Saffron has a strong earthy floral taste which is quite difficult to describe. It is commonly used in cooking, as a flavoring and coloring agent. Saffron is used in many cuisines around the world and is an excellent addition to many well-known dishes, like Spanish paella, Indian pulao and korma, Iranian stew dishes, Persian almond cake, and the famous Italian risotto Milanese. How to use saffron in cooking. Saffron can be used in cooking as saffron threads or as saffron powder. Both of these forms can be used to flavor and color your dishes. Saffron threads are the dried stigmas of the saffron crocus flower. To use them, you'll need to soak them first in warm water, milk, stock or white wine. Just enough to cover the stigmas. Let them steep for at least 1 hour or overnight. Then add this to your saffron recipe, usually toward the end of cooking. A good rule of thumb is to use about 3 to 4 threads per serving when making a dish. Powdered saffron is simply finely ground threads. It can be added directly to your dish without toasting or pre-soaking. Powdered saffron dissolves easily into foods. A good rule of thumb when substituting powder for threads: use only half the amount called for in your recipe. For example, 1/2 teaspoon of saffron threads equals 1/4 teaspoon of saffron powder. Health benefits of saffron. Natural antidepressant. Numerous studies confirm saffron brings significant benefits to the nervous system, keeping the mood high by reducing anxiety and stress. Pain reliever. Saffron is considered a natural pain reliever, good also for women's health in treating premenstrual syndrome and menstrual pains. Antioxidant boost. The major saffron antioxidants include crocin, quercetin, and saffronol, protecting the cells against both free radicals and oxidative stress. Crocin and quercetin are carotenoid pigments, giving the intense red-orange color. Saffronol instead gives saffron its unique taste and aroma. Heart ally. Due to its high potassium content, saffron has a protective effect on the heart and the circulatory system, decreasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as strokes and heart attacks. Fights insomnia. Saffron is increasingly being used in herbal teas to treat insomnia and improve sleep quality. Thanks to magnesium, it has relaxing properties that combat stress, relieve anxiety and conciliate sleep. Natural aphrodisiac. Saffron seems to be a great ally of sexuality, especially for men, improving libido and erectile dysfunction. Improves eyesight. Thanks to its properties and in particular vitamin A, saffron helps prevent and improve vision degeneration in old age. How to consume saffron. Saffron can be taken as supplement form, in capsules or powder, as a spice added to everyday meals, by using dried stigmas or powder, as a refreshing tea, by steeping the stigma in hot or cool water, as an extract to dye textiles or added to fragrances. Buyer beware. Falsifying saffron is a common practice around the world. Fake saffron can be made from safflower's petals, coconut fiber, shredded paper and also soluble plastic, artificially colored and flavored. Tips. Fake saffron will release the color more rapidly than the real one, releasing a redder color. Good saffron can take anything from 15 minutes to 1 hour to release its golden hue. Is saffron safe? Saffron is usually safe when used in small amounts in cooking or as tea. As a dietary supplement, studies show that only 30 milligrams of saffron per day is enough to get all its benefits. Before taking saffron, however, check with your healthcare provider to be sure it's safe for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the content I shared with you today. If you are curious about herbs and natural remedies, make sure to subscribe to my channel for new green topics every week.